There are a lot of new AI protocols that have been introduced. A2A, MCP, WebMCP, UCP, AP2. In this video, let's talk about what all these protocols actually are and what they mean for the future of SEO and optimizing for AI search. I want to walk through each of these protocols, at least at a high level, and help you get some context around what you need to know about each of the protocols. Let's start off with A2A, agent to agent. So the purpose of A2A is it helps different AI agents communicate and work with each other. So A2A is going to connect agents to other agents. So this is how an AI agent talks to another AI agent. The A2A protocol defines how agents can discover each other. That's via JSON agent cards. And these cards list the agent's capabilities, skills, and other basic information. The protocol is also designed to help agents manage and coordinate tasks. So it's really about that agent to agent communication. Next protocol we have is Model Context Protocol, or MCP. The purpose of MCP is it connects AI agents to external tools, to external data, to APIs. So MCP is going to connect an agent to a tool or data or an API that you have. So website owners can set up an MCP server, and that MCP server is going to define what data and what actions are available on that website. So that might be a protocol for how do you search products on this website, or how do you actually perform some kind of task. The MCP server is then going to translate the AI agent's standardized requests into the site's backend format. And so it becomes this translation layer between these two different things. And then the server is going to return a structured response that the agent can work with. Now, closely related to MCP, we have WebMCP. So this is the Web Model Context Protocol. And this is designed to allow websites to present structured actions directly to AI agents through the browser. So WebMCP is a client-side browser API that can help AI agents interact with web pages more reliably. So without this protocol in place, AI agents would have to come to your website and they'd have to figure out your website's design. They'd have to look through the HTML. They'd have to figure things out within that, which agents can absolutely do. However, with that WebMCP, you can simplify those operations and make sure that agents can really discover and understand things very, very clearly. One thing to note about WebMCP is there's actually two different APIs within it. So one is declarative. This is where you can add new attributes to existing HTML form elements. The other one is imperative, and this is going to use JavaScript to register different tools that you have. And the imperative one is better for kind of more complex tools that you may have going on. Another protocol we have is the Agents Payment Protocol, or AP2. So AP2 is about helping AI agents make payments on behalf of users. So this is a protocol that's designed to allow AI agents to initiate payments with verifiable authorization, with accountability. So it helps the agents make sure it has permission to actually complete a transaction. AP2 supports human present and, more interestingly, human not present shopping scenarios. Another protocol we have is the Universal Commerce Protocol, or UCP. So UCP is a standardized AI agent-driven commerce protocol, and it helps agents navigate the entire shopping journey. So it provides a unified standard that agents can use to handle product discovery, product checkout, payment, and also post-purchase support. And this only works for participating merchants. Right now, Google is planning to use UCP with Merchant Center in AI mode and within the Gemini apps. A lot of the implementation work on all of these protocols will be done by developers. However, SEOs are going to need to be involved in this because SEOs have to be the ones to bridge that gap between technology, between marketing, between UX. It's where SEO always sort of ends up with any of these kinds of things. And so that combination of skills from SEO will be really critical to successfully optimize our websites and our businesses more generally to figure out how do we utilize these protocols to really work with AI agents. If you have questions about any of these protocols, or if you're working on implementing these protocols and need to get some support talking with your developers about these, let me know. You can email me at matthew@elementive.com. If you liked this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.